Everyone, why do righteous suffers? Kapatid, natanong mo na rin ba ito? Why do righteous suffers? Bakit nga ba? Dumating ka na din sa point na ayaw ko na nga lang magsimba, pareho lang naman. Bakit yung gumagawa ng masama, sila na lang sana yung nagsasuffer or magsasuffer, deserve nila yun. The world has its own perspective or reason, but let us stick to biblical perspective. It is a testing of faith. In the book of Job, presents a righteous man who suffers. In Job 1:1, there was a man in the land of Uz whose name was Job, and the man was blameless and upright, and one who feared God and shunned evil. Job's suffering not as a punishment, but as a way to test his faith and demonstrate his endurance. Suffering seen as a way for an individual to grow spiritually and demonstrate your submission to God's will. Even mentioned in James 1:3, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience or endurance. Bakit sila mayaman pero galing naman sa masama? Remember, material things are not the basis of being blessed. Note of that. That's why we are being encouraged. Keep on depending on Jesus' righteousness. That in this world that's full of hate, let's spread love, the love of Christ. God bless everyone.